Why did you do that?
Who is that? Say hello. Say hi, Fizz. Say hi. Say hi. Say hello to everybody. Say hi, guys. I'm just here teasing away. Hi, Fizz. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Today, it's all about your girl, your princess or princess. Today, I'm coming to you with Sarah's huge 7 months update. And I'm gonna try and get through this video with or without her, okay? First things first, as you guys can see, yes, she's very active. She likes to jump. This is one of Sarah's favorite things to do. If this girl doesn't come and do something with her foot in the future, then boy, all this jumping and fluttering is for no reason. You guys may or may not know if you're new to our channel. Sarah, so let me talk to you guys like you're all new to the channel. Sarah is 7 months old and she's a very happy, active 7 months old. Look at her. Look at her. She never stopped. This is her all day, every day. Go, 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 go. Especially when her brother is around. So first things first, let's see where to start. So I have some notes here. Let me just peek on it to see where to start with this girl. Sarah is at 6 months going into 7. Sarah is sitting up on her own. Sarah is standing up and holding on her own. So at this point, this mama have to, 1, ditch her bassinet because she's standing up in it, and 2, her big girl crib, I have to now go and drop it lower because whenever she wakes and you don't go and pick her up right away, your girl is standing all on her own. Anything she sees around the house to stand and hold on and stand to, she takes that chance and she stand and hold on to it. So she's in the standing and falling over phase. So I'm happy that some place in the house have carpet, especially where she spend most of her day, have carpet, because this girl stand at every and any chance she gets. The next thing Sarah is doing at 7 months, you must know though that she's just turned 7 months and about 2 weeks. So at 7 months now, she's trying to call names. So she's trying to say her brother's name. She's trying to say Tyler. 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 She's not paying me. Call Tyler. 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 Call Tyler. She's really trying to call her brother name these days. So that's what she's been up to. She's also obsessed with watching Bob the Train. It doesn't really matter how hard Sarah is crying and what is bothering her. Once Bob the Train is on, she stopped crying. She stopped fuss. Sarah is also teething. She's teething. She has been teething for quite some time. And I know that the teething process is long. She'll teeth still after even having the first few teeth. But at this point, it's getting really bad. And she's just biting everything. And on a day like today, she just wants to cling to me. Jump. Boom, 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 ba-da-dum, 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 dum. Yeah, Kaka? Kaka? Okay, so like I said, at some days she just wants to cling to me and don't play by herself, or don't play much by herself. So that's where her teething is at the moment. And you guys should know that Sarah smile a lot, just like how Tyler used to smile when Tyler was her age. What happened? Auntie? Sarah enjoy playing with Tyler. She enjoy playing with Tyler around the clock. Once Tyler is home, she's all about Tyler.
Stop! I need like that.
Not so hard, Ty.
Stop! 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 Stop to do that! Ah! Stop to do that! Stop! Stop! You can stop! You can't go away! Ah, no, you're not excited because you got to move! That is the Jeep. That is the GPS. That is your order. That
Sarah, leave the curtain.
you. Why did you do that? I got it. Oh God! What? I'm putting in your ticket. Another ticket.
Let me tell you the huge change that happened in Sarah's routine for this month. Let's start with her daytime routine. So her days start off with breastfeeding for breakfast, and she will have a boiled egg yolk and some orange juice or apple juice for breakfast along with breast, and then she goes down for a morning nap roughly around 10:30, and that's when I get my workout in. And then she will wake up for lunch at 12, so she get lunch at 12. Then she go down for a nap at about 2:30, and then she gets, oh no, she get lunch at 12, and what she get for lunch is whatever I cook. So I normally cook her food for the week or for a few days. For example, she would have a mixture. For example, she would have a mixture of, like today she have beef, pumpkin, carrots, blended together, and zucchini, and then she have a yogurt after plus water. And then she'll go down for her afternoon nap at 2:30, and then she'll wake up like an hour after, and then she will have snack at 4. She have snack at 4. She have a container of puree fruit, whatever fruit or whatever 2 fruit mixture, it depends. And this I buy at the store, I don't make these. So she have like apple and pear and peach and prune mixed with apple and peach mixed with apple, just to give you a few examples. And then between that snack and 8 p.m. she might have the breast once, like just now is between the snack and dinner time. She will have the breast not even for 5 minutes, and then at 8 p.m. this come into her nighttime routine. So her nighttime routine is bath, bottle, bed. So she'll have bath at about 15 minutes to 8. By 8 p.m. she will be having her bottle, and then after the bottle she'll go right to sleep. And she have a bottle of milk with a little cereal in it, and that will hold her until about midnight to 1 a.m. She'll wake for another bottle of the same amount, and she drink like 200 ml because she's just adjusting to bottle feeding. she'll wake up at about midnight and a half, 1 a.m. for another bottle of the same amount, and then she'll go back to bed, and she won't wake up again until about 5:30 in the morning. And at this point I give her breast, so that's where her breakfast really starts off. 5 o'clock she'll be on the breast and play with it until she goes back for a little nap. And she'll go back for a little nap, and she'll wake up at about 7:45 because she knows it's time to head out with her brother to school. So she's like a clockwork. She knows when to wake up and when to go to nap. So that's her night and daytime routine. She's in my hand jumping right now. So that's her routine with Sarah at the moment. She have her 7-month doctor appointments coming up at the end of this week, so we'll be taking her to that. I'm sure she put on some weight because I can feel it. And she also, because I'm giving her the cereal, I think it make her constipate sometime. I would say constipate, but her poop is not as easy to come, TMI, as it would like. So sometimes when she used to go, she would cry out. But I have this water giving her that have mineral in it, and it's really helping. So instead of me giving her juice, which the doctor had recommended to give her juice in the morning, I'll give her water. But yeah, apart from that, she eats everything. She loves eating from our plate. When we are eating, she eats just about everything. Anything I cook, give her, she eats it. The only thing I realized she didn't take to, but she still end up eating it, was rice that I blended. But I think it because of consistency, after a while the rice become extra thick. But apart from that, she eats just about everything. So that's the update on Missy, and she's a big 7 months. You're a big 7 months? She's a big 7 months. Right now I have to go go through her clothes and take out all the newborn and 4 months things that they don't fit anymore. She's just growing up so fast. So yeah, there you guys have the 7 months update on this little jumper. Anyway, you guys, there you guys have a 7-month update on Sarah. It's just me and her today. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye guys. Say bye. Say bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye. 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 Right now Bob the train is on and she's glued, right?